This is a video to demonstrate how to replace the batteries on your remote control key slash fob for mini models that are in the F50 range, so F56, 53, 52, I don't know what the range are, but basically this is from a car from 2014 right to the current models. So this is from my own car. It's a Cooper S F56. The car doesn't have anywhere for you to put the key in when you get in the car because it's a keyless start, which means the battery needs to be replaced from time to time. Now, in the old R56 models, you put the key in a little slot on the dash behind the next to the steering wheel, where it tends to charge the battery. But with these, they've got a little battery inside. It's a tiny button cell, which needs to be changed from time to time. So yesterday I had the warning on the dash in the car saying the remote control battery is low, so it needs to be replaced. You don't want to find out that you can't start the car or get into your car. Obviously, you can remove the key from the end and enter the car, but for starting the car without a fob, your immobiliser won't work, so you can't actually activate the engine. The other thing to remember, obviously, is also when the battery runs low, if you get in the car, the proximity that the fob needs to the steering column to essentially deactivate the immobiliser doesn't work properly. So you'll have to constantly tap the key to the side of the steering column. Anyway, without any further ado, this is how it opens up. So you don't need many tools. You only need a couple of small screwdrivers, 2 flatheads just to open the back. And in terms of batteries, it takes the CR2032 battery. This is a pack that I bought from the pound shop. So, you can buy these at many different prices. This is a Kodak one. You can get a Duracell or Energize or whatever brand, as long as it's a CR2032, which is a 3-volt battery. So first things first, you can see there's a little tab here. You can put the wider screwdriver there. You can pop this open. It's quite easy. Might feel a little wrong, but be careful, don't yank it. It works quite easily. You can do it with the key in or out, it really doesn't matter. And it pops off. You can see where the key is. And then what you need to do is, well, remove the key. The key comes out quite easily. You just press that button. It's the usual process. So, and this piece comes off. You can put that away. Same with the back. Put that away. Now, the battery's under here. You need to lift this. You can either put the smaller screwdriver there and pull the tab up, or you can do a little trick. So I put the screwdriver through here and I leverage it against the bottom of the pad and it opens up. And here we go. There's your battery, a CR2032 3-volt. I'd imagine this is the original battery. When you put the battery back in, make sure you don't get the polarity wrong. Obviously, positive faces up. To take it out, quite a straightforward process. These batteries don't, if you can see, the clip there is in the way. So what you need to do, you need to tilt the battery this way and lift it out. And fairly easily done. There we go. That's the battery out. I'll get my new battery up there. And to put it back in, reverse of the same thing. So this type of thing. So this side goes in first. You can see it's like a spring, and it's in. If you can see, this has got a little this cap that goes in has this rubberized edge to weatherproof the seal, so you don't get any battery, any moisture or dust inside the workings of your battery. And to put it on, quite straightforward. That goes on first. You can see that the small tab goes in first in the front. And that's it. It's clicked in and it's inside. That's it. Job done. And to put it back together, it's a very simple process. Put the key back in. And this section just clips back on. Simple as. It's got a new battery. Job done. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, just comment below. Thanks.